Did you watch the Tesla event? If you did, probably you thought the future is in the making. But still there are doubtful clouds around because of the production hell as the charismatic Elon Musk described it himself. Anyway, I must say the new Tesla Semi and the big bull, so-called Tesla Roadster, are impressive. Wanna know more about it? Let's get started. Tesla in its event unveiled the long-awaited first electric articulated lorry called Tesla Semi to challenge diesel trucks. Tesla Semi, which might rule the roads one day like a king, has an impressive 500-mile range on a single charge, and it can do a 0 to 60 in just 5 seconds. This kind of acceleration was attributed to luxury sedans previously, not a bulky truck. Also, with a full load of 80,000 pounds, which is about 36,000 kilograms, Tesla Semi can achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 20 seconds. Mind-blowing. Speaking about it at the Tesla event in Los Angeles, Mr. Elon Musk said it's not like any other truck that you have ever driven. It will be known as semi-trailer truck in the United States and will go into production in 2019. As a surprise package, Tesla also announced a new sports car which was driven out of Tesla Semi's trailer during the event, the Tesla Roadster. Elon Musk described it as a hardcore smackdown to gasoline cars and the fastest production car ever made. Tesla Roadster has a very impressive range of about 1000 kilometers on a single charge and can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. This is the first car to break sub 2 second barrier, and everything it does is a world record. Elon Musk said this is what the base model is capable of, and they are achieving these numbers with prototype. It's gonna start at $200,000, and there are already few estimates according to which it will make $60 billion by next decade. This car will be available by 2020, and Elon Musk said after this, riding a traditional car would be like driving a steam engine with a sidekick. The spec sheet is mind-blowing. Not even $1 million supercars are able to do 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. This does 0 to 100 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds, and it can travel a quarter mile in sub 9 seconds. It has 3 motors and huge 200 kWh battery, which gives you that very impressive 1000 km range per charge, as I was telling you earlier. This is absolutely something to look out for. And side note, I was telling you about Tesla Semi or Tesla semi-trailer truck. Walmart has already pre-ordered 15 of those. Apart from this, CEO of Tesla also spoke about Model 3 factory delays, production issues, which he described as production hell. Basically, they are running way behind schedule with respect to production of Tesla Model 3 cars. The company said it would make 1,500 Tesla Model 3 cars in Q3 of 2017, but in reality, it managed only 260. Tesla also said it won't reach its production target of 5,000 cars per week until 2018. So that's the news from Tesla event, guys. Hope you liked this video. If yes, then please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular tech updates, and you can also follow me on my blog www.technologygym.com and also on my Twitter account. With that, let's meet in the next video. Until then, have a great day. Goodbye from your tech messenger. Peace.